Hi friends, welcome to the second part of our doll tutorial. In this part, we are going to make the dress and the head portion of the doll. We will be doing single crochet into each of the front loops which we left unworked. So join in any of the front loop with a slip stitch. And work single crochets, and while working we will be holding the body upside down. So we are doing one single crochet in each of the front loops, and while working make sure that the yarn of the body part is not getting stuck inside the dress portion. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. So first round of dress is ready. For the second row we will be doing 2 double crochets in each of the stitches. So increase in each stitch, chain 3, double crochet in the same space. Chain 3 will be our first double crochet. So increase in each stitch around. So here I completed one round of increase in each of the stitches. Slip stitch into the third chain and complete the round. For the next round we will be doing a V-stitch in the first space. V-stitch will be chain 5 and a double crochet in the same space. Again skip the next stitch. And into the next, again we will be working a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So in alternate stitches, we will be working V-stitches. So here we completed our third round, did a slip stitch into the third chain of the 5 chains which we did in the beginning. Now we will be doing a slip stitch to reach in between the chain 2 space, and we will work 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets in the same space. So first we will do a chain 3 and 2 more double crochets. Chain 1, again 3 more double crochets. All in the same space. In the next chain 2 space we will work a double crochet. In the next space again we will be doing 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. All in the same space. So we'll just complete this round by alternating double crochets and 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet sets. So in the next way again we'll be doing 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet. In the next again we'll do 1 double crochet. So you have reached the end. 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets, crochet. Work the double crochet in the last space. We'll slip stitch into the third chain and complete the round. We need one more round for our doll's dress to be perfect. So we'll just slip stitch into the next 2 double crochets and reach the space. We did 3 slip stitches to reach the chain 2 space. Again we'll repeat what we did in the previous round. Chain 3 and 2 double crochets. So total 3 double crochets including the chain 3. So we'll the next 3 double crochets and work a double crochet on top of the double crochet which we did in the chain 2 space. So in this round we will be following this. That is, in the chain 2 spaces we will work 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet, and on top of the double crochets we will work double crochet. So we will just complete doing this round. So here we reach the end of our frock of the doll. So we'll just slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn. Hide the loose ends, and so here our frock is ready. Now we'll start working the head, but before that we'll just do the fiber fill. Fill in the cotton or fiber, whichever you're using. Till the neck portion. Once you have filled till the neck, we'll start working the head portion. So just remove the and start working. We'll be working 2 stitches into each of the 9 single crochets. 2 single crochets into each of the stitches. Not forget the marker. So here we have completed one round of 18 single crochets, 2 single crochet in each stitch. Next round we will be doing alternate increase. So next stitch will be 1 and into the next we will work 2 single crochets. So this round we will be completing in this manner with alternate increases. Here we have completed the third head part. In this we have 27 single crochets, alternate increases. Now for the next 5 rows we will be continuing 1 single crochet in each stitch. So 27 single crochets in one round. We will be doing 5 rounds. Don't forget to place the marker after starting each round. Hands we can attach at this stage or later on after completing the full head portion. But eyes and other facial features should be completed at this stage. I have attached eyes, nose and mouth. For the eyes you will be attaching it 4th round of our repetition. That is, we started off with the repetition from here. 5 rows we did repetition of same 27 stitches in each stitch. So you will be attaching it in between the 3rd and 4th rounds. In this space you will be attaching the eyes with a gap of 4 to 5 stitches. In this manner you will be attaching the eyes. Here I have attached small beads. You can even stitch with black thread and make eyes. And for the nose I just stitched with the same color up and down stitches I did. And for the mouth I used a pink color, just stitched 1 stitch. From this round we will start decreasing to give the shape of the head. So we will be doing 1 stitch and decrease in the next. So alternate stitches we will be decreasing. So next 2 stitches we have to decrease. So we'll skip the next and into the next work a single crochet. So this round we'll be following 1 single crochet, skip the next and into the next work a single crochet. Again 1 single crochet, skip the next and into the next work a single crochet. In this way we'll be completing this round. Here we have 18 single crochets. Now in this round we'll be doing 4 stitches and the 5th and 6th will be reducing. So 4 single crochets, four, 5th will be skipping and into the 6th we'll work 1 single crochet. Again we'll repeat 4 single crochets and skip the 5th and into the 6th work a single crochet. And we'll just complete this round. So after this round we'll be having 15 single crochets. Next round we'll be doing 3 single crochets, skip the 4th and into the 5th we'll work a single crochet. So 3 single crochets. Don't forget to place the marker. Skip the 4th and into the 5th work a single crochet. In this way we'll complete this round. Here we have completed the round. In this round we'll be having 12 single crochets. At this stage we'll be filling in the fiber. The maximum we can fill, we'll be filling in. Fill in the fiber properly. So here I have filled in the fiber. Now we will be working 1 single crochet in alternate stitches. So we will be having 6 single crochets after this round. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Slip stitch and cut, leaving a little longer end so that we can just sew in the gaps. Tighten the hole by sewing in this manner.
So doll is almost done. Hope you enjoyed making this doll. In the next part, I'll be showing you how to make the hair of the doll and the hands. So until we meet in the next video, take care, stay safe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.